Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody had a good Christmas and New Year's. We're going to start off the year with the oil catch can. Now, I put this thing on a little over 6 months ago. We did a review to see how much it picked up about three and a half months in, and now we're at the 6-month mark. So for myself, and I would figure for most of your average drivers, you're going to be changing your oil about 2 times a year. Every 6 months or X amount of miles, depending how much you drive. Myself personally, twice a year is all I need to do, at least if you follow the maintenance schedule for the truck. So having said that, every time you do a oil change, you might as well clear this thing out. So I'm going to unscrew it, and we're going to see how much it's actually picked up over the 6 months on the truck. And now most oil catch cans are similar to mine. I have the J&L one, and it just threads on. Now, I loosen this already for YouTube video purposes, but they can be quite tight. This is similar to putting an oil filter on your truck. The tighter you crank this thing down, the more pain in the butt it's going to be the next time you're trying to get this off. So it has a rubber seal on it. You'll see that when I get this off, but you do not want to crank this down anything more than just hand tight. Make it snug, give it maybe like a quarter of a turn at most, and it's not going to go anywhere, and you're not going to have to struggle with yourself the next time trying to get it out of there. All right, now it's off. Before anybody freaks out after you see this, yes, it is normal. It's a catch can. It condensates. You get water mixed in the oil, and sometimes it's gonna look like coffee. We're super cold here right now, and things freeze, thaw out, freeze, thaw out, freeze, thaw out. Every time you drive, the oil in your engine is fine. The oil that's gonna get picked up through the tube while it's flowing is gonna go in here. Because this is aluminum, it's gonna get super cold, and you're gonna get moisture in there. It's gonna catch in here, and that's why you get your coffee oil. Looks like hot chocolate sitting in there. So nice thing is for you guys, you can see how much this picked up. So just there in the middle where you see the little ring is where we have our extension piece. So if you get this brand, this is your catch can portion up top. They send the extension, or the other way around, the catch can on the bottom, they send this extension for the middle portion. As you can see, if you're going to do this every 6 months, you're going to be right filled up on this thing. So highly recommend get the second portion and have the extension. All right, now just for you guys, because I know it's going to come in the comments and say, no, it shouldn't look like that. If you want to make sure, you can check for yourself. Come to the driver's side, pull out your dipstick. Don't drip it anywhere. Put her up on the yellow cloth here so you guys can see. And as you can see, the oil in the engine, I am ready for an oil change, so it's a little dirty, but it's not all milky and gross like it was in the catch can. So again, not the end of the world. No, your engine is not going to blow up. No, nothing is wrong. The catch can is just doing its thing, and because it's that time of year where it gets cold and then your engine heats everything up and then it's cold and then you go in a little cycle like that, it's just going to make the can condensate and you're going to make a little bit of hot chocolate in your catch can. But again, you can see how much it's picking up, and it's a catch can, so anything that's in there is not going to be regurgitated back into the engine. So you don't have to worry about that stuff getting sucked back into your motor. All right, then all you got to do is, like I said, empty it out, get a paper towel, put it in there, spin it around, get it nice and clean. You can see all that junk that was frozen to the bottom is gone. So now all you got to do is come back here, and again, make sure you clean the top where it threads on. Get it in there. Maybe I can do this with one hand. Success. Thread it all the way up. And you can see it kind of gets a little snug. Switch over to your good hand. Give it a little twist. And that's all you gotta do. Pull it over slightly, just make sure everything's still connected, nothing's leaking, anything like that. Do a little inspection. But again, it's just like an oil filter. Don't crank it on or you're gonna be kicking yourself in the butt next time you're trying to get it off. So there you go, everything's back together. 6 months, catch-can's doing its thing. Again, depending how much you drive, the more you drive, the more you want to check that thing. Like I said myself, kilometers wise, I usually do 2 oil changes a year, and 6 months is working out perfect as long as I have the extension. Again, if you do longer trips or we're in the cold time, during the cold time of the year, those catch cans are going to pick up a lot more than they will in the summer months. So all the different stuff you got to look out for. But again, the catch can's doing its thing. It's picking up all the stuff and you won't have to worry about it going back into your motor. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We got some updates coming on the mods. I just like to use them a little bit before I get them out here on YouTube to give you an honest review of how everything goes. So if you want to stay tuned for that, make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hopefully we catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.